When choosing roof coating, three things always that we normally consider. Number one, beauty. Number two, functionality. We consider here, moisture resistant ba siya? Can it protect your metal roof from corrosion? Nakakababa ba siya ng heat para hindi mainit yung ating bahay? Ang white has good reflection properties. Yung mga bubong kasi natin, normally, it will absorb heat. Lalo na kung mga colored yung mga roofing natin. Sa white, 80% of the wavelength ng light energy will be reflected. Number three is about durability naman. Maganda ba yung color retention? Maganda ba yung kanyang adhesion? Flexible ba siya? Kasi pag hindi siya flexible and medyo rigid siya, it can cause cracking and later on delamination. Ni-recommend namin dito is the polyurethane type because the polyurethane has tough but flexible film. Pag gumagalaw yung roof natin dahil may bagyo, then sasabay lang siya. Kasi unlike medyo hard, pag hindi siya sumabay sa galaw ng roof natin, diyan pwede magsimula yung mga delamination ng roofing. So here at Buildrite, what we recommend is Buildrite Blactite RRC. It has good reflection because it's color white. It's to promote energy saving. It's also polyurethane. It's made of polyurethane material, so it has good UV resistance at the same time durable properties para tumagal po yung roof natin at hindi mag-ibang kulay at hindi kayo papalit-palit ng roof coating.